Early years in St. Louis. Maya Angelou's childhood was marked by hardships and displacement, which deeply influenced her awareness of racial injustices. Born in St. Louis, Missouri, she experienced poverty and segregation from a young age. After her parents' marriage ended, she was sent to live with her grandmother in Stamps, Arkansas, where she faced racial discrimination and witnessed the effects of systemic racism. These early experiences laid the foundation for Angelou's passion for civil rights and social justice, shaping her into the influential writer and activist she would become. The trauma and silence. At the age of 7, Maya Angelou experienced a trauma that left her speechless. After a family friend sexually assaulted her, Maya's world was turned upside down. She was so traumatized by the experience that she stopped speaking for nearly 5 years. During this time of silence, Maya found solace in literature and self-expression. She began to read voraciously, immersing herself in the world of books and poetry. Through writing and journaling, Maya slowly started to find her voice again. This period of recovery marked the beginning of Maya's journey as a writer, setting her on the path to becoming one of the most influential voices of her generation. Formative years in San Francisco. After moving to San Francisco, Maya Angelou pursued her passion for the performing arts. She studied dance and drama, honing her skills on stage and in front of the camera. These early experiences in the world of performance would later greatly influence her writing and speaking style, allowing her to captivate audiences with her powerful words and presence. Maya Angelou's artistic development during her formative years in San Francisco laid the foundation for her later success as a writer and public speaker. Civil rights activism. Maya Angelou played a significant role in advocating for equal rights and social justice throughout her life. Growing up in the racially segregated South, she experienced firsthand the injustices faced by African Americans. In the 1960s, Angelou became a prominent figure in the civil rights movement, working closely with leaders such as Martin Luther King Jr. and Malcolm X. She used her platform as a writer and poet to speak out against racial inequality and discrimination. Angelou's activism extended beyond race, as she also championed women's rights and LGBTQ+ rights. Her powerful words and actions continue to inspire individuals around the world to fight for a more just and equitable society. Literary accomplishments. Maya Angelou's autobiography, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, was a groundbreaking work that shed light on her personal struggles and resilience. The book delved into her experiences of racism, trauma, and abuse, while also showcasing her strength and resilience in overcoming these challenges. Through her powerful storytelling and raw honesty, Angelou inspired readers around the world and solidified her place as a literary icon. Global recognition and legacy. Maya Angelou continued to inspire people around the world through her powerful spoken word, captivating teaching style, and unwavering dedication to humanitarian efforts. Her words resonated with audiences of all ages, races, and backgrounds, sparking a sense of hope and empowerment in those who listened. Through her lectures, workshops, and literary works, she encouraged others to find their voice and stand up for justice and equality. In addition to her impactful words, Maya Angelou was actively involved in a variety of humanitarian efforts, using her platform to advocate for civil rights, women's rights, and social justice. She worked tirelessly to promote education, literacy, and cultural awareness, believing that knowledge and understanding were key components in building a more inclusive and accepting society. Despite facing numerous challenges and adversity throughout her life, Maya Angelou never wavered in her commitment to uplifting others and making a difference in the world. Her legacy as an inspirational figure continues to live on, inspiring future generations to strive for a better tomorrow through compassion, empathy, and the power of words.